I need to ask you a question. Do you put all your focus on the on-site acceptance? 语音结束为10，限制译文音结束为10。Focus on the final inspection. Finally, there will be delays in the production line and endless on-site debugging. Facing the supplier, you don't have the initiative to bargain. If there is such a case, you and Uncle, and most of the overseas customers have made a fatal mistake. The real risk of the project is not in the on-site acceptance stage. The risks over there are actually uncontrollable. The real risk lies in the factory acceptance stage before shipment has been doomed. Break it down for you. It's the hidden terms in the common payment terms. The hidden terms in it. For Dart automation project, generally, the common situation, 30% deposit to start the project. Then at the supplier's factory, before the equipment is shipped, the supplier will pay another 30% acceptance fee before the equipment leaves. The payment has been paid 60% of the contract payment. From the perspective of business game, the supplier has received the 60% of the payment. Your bargaining power has basically disappeared completely. You have no effective way to verify whether the contracts has really reached the supplier the 90% of the debugging progress. Once delivered, all the equipment, the risk will be all transferred to you. The subsequent delays are all on you. Your end customer's factory. Any delays, rework, due to faults and passive waiting is you have no way to do that. You don't have the confidence to urge the supplier. May wonder, can't on-site acceptance protect me? To be honest, non-standard equipment issues are not small problems that can be fixed in a few days. Most of the complex problems need to be reworked and rectified for months. It cannot be solved by simple debugging. Once the equipment arrives at your factory, the supplier, they have lost the motivation to rectify urgently. They have already received 60% of the project payment. Even if your production line stops completely, they won't suffer huge losses either. But you will bear the loss of production capacity, waste of equipment funds, and the full delay of the project schedule. Like the on-site time should only be used for final fine-tuning and production verification. It must not become a start from scratch. The stage of large-scale debugging and equipment modification. Many purchasing managers are used to locking design schemes to manage project risks. But this is not enough. The locked drawings and designs can only fix the scheme standards, but it cannot lock the actual production and assembly quality. During the equipment assembly and debugging, various problems that cannot be estimated, the supplier will inevitably adjust the process and parameters on site, and the purchasing party can't stop it. Locking the design can only ensure that the plan is fine, but it can't guarantee that the final finished equipment can run stably. The only way to verify the quality of the product is only one: in the supplier's factory. The whole machine is accepted. 语音结束为5，再安排发货。I know that. Everyone's concerned. Doing factory acceptance will cost more time and cost, but you can weigh the pros and cons. Is it more cost-effective to spend a little money on factory acceptance? Start and lose 60% of the project funds for nothing. Production line stops 4 months, or the overall project collapses. Skipping factory acceptance seems to save a little upfront cost, but it exposes the project to devastating supply chain risks. Purchase non-standard automated. Remember this sentence. Risk control should be in the factory, not after your production line. If you need a set of non-standard, exclusive standardized factory acceptance list. Welcome to the comment.